What is kind of weird though is you would think if one dealership has the issue straight from Chrysler and it's a known issue, then wouldn't like all of them have it? That's where it's just a little weird to me. For anybody experiencing this or looking for answers, there it is, man, straight from Chrysler. That's what they're saying and that's what they're doing.
Drop that beat.
What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. As you can see, we're in the whip/office. You know, this is where I do a lot of my videos. I like the red guts in the background. You know, it makes a good backdrop for what I got to talk about. But yeah, man, as you guys can see in the title and all that, you already know what we're about to be talking about. So if you guys have this type of vehicle, 2020, I believe I heard about it in the 19s, and even other vehicles with two-piece rotors, then you might have experienced the little clicking noise that a lot of us are going through right now. And there's a lot of different, information out there, a lot of different quote-unquote answers for or solutions for the problem. You know, some people say it's the bearings. I know Knockout 360, another YouTuber, his dealership told him it was the bearings a few times, and the issue came back and he had to take it back, so he's going through all that right now. Other people have said, you know, it's the rotors, bad rotors. Other people have said it's just a cleaning issue. What is kind of weird though is, you know how I mentioned Knockout 360 before? If you watch his videos, it's weird how his dealership told him it was the bearings. You would think if one dealership, you know, one Dodge, Chrysler, Ram, Jeep dealership has the issue straight from Chrysler and it's a known issue, like in my town, then wouldn't like all of them have it? That's where it's just a little weird to me. Like, I don't know how his dealership doesn't have that as a known issue and, you know exactly what to do for that, and mine does. Unless they do have it, they just didn't look into it properly. I don't know. That was just a little weird to me because I know they replaced his bearings and then it came back. I don't know if that was a problem on the dealership's end or if they just don't have that information. I don't know how they wouldn't have that information, because like I said, if one dealership has it, they all should have it. You know, when Chrysler sends that out, I'm sure they don't just send it to specific dealerships. They're going to send it to every single one. That way they're all in the know of what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what's going on with that. I'm happy that my dealership looked into it correctly and, you know, didn't put me through all that other stuff. It was pretty timely manner. They hooked me up with a rental vehicle while I was waiting that day that it took. So, you know, overall I had a good experience with my Dodge dealership, but it's not going to go that way for everybody, as you guys can see. And if you're familiar with my channel, then you know I took mine in and I did the update on that, and I'll show you a little clip of what they told me.
There's actually what they call a tech tip that we get directly from Chrysler.
Okay.
And it talks about that noise on the two-piece rotors.
Right.
So that what they wanted us to do is remove the front wheels and rotors and clean the mating surface.
Okay.
So it's the wheel mounting face and the rotor mounting face where they come together.
Yeah.
You have to clean that because that's where the noise is coming from.
I've seen a lot of that on YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
we went and took care of that, and that should take care of the problem.
Okay, so they tested it out. They didn't hear it anymore.
Nope, all gone.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you very much.
Sir. Have a good day.
You too. So basically, you know, that's what they're saying that the issue is. It's just a cleaning issue. Debris, I'm guessing, from the Brembo brake pads, because they do create a lot of brake dust. So I mean, I'm pretty sure if that's the case, then this issue is going to be a reoccurring one. Maybe the Brembo brake pads, you know, and the two-piece rotors just don't mix very well because it creates a lot of brake dust and it gets in there on those two-piece rotors. So apparently that's what's creating that clicking noise. I don't know how that creates a clicking noise, but it did take care of the issue for me. Try the other way real quick, just to be safe, man, you know what I'm saying? That seems good to go, man. So I'm thinking once that the contaminants and all the debris and everything starts going back up in there, then the issue's just gonna come back. So it's either like one of two things: you just deal with it and you clean it every now and then, or you know, you just deal with it and don't clean it, and I've heard of that noise just going away on its own, and it'll probably come back and go away, come back and go away. Or you could switch your brake pads out. I've heard of power stops. I've heard power stops are a good way to go. I know a lot of the people that switch from Brembos, that's the route that they go. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I might take that route. I don't know yet. We'll see once, you know, I'm not gonna switch these out right away. You know, I'm gonna let them go through, you know, what they got to go through, and then, you know, we'll see once it's time to get brake pads where I go. Maybe I will go with the power stops, just so I don't have to deal with the brake dust. Even though Brembos are real good, man, they're soft. That's why you gotta. They're for performance. That's why you got to deal with all the brake dust. But you know, for some people it's gonna be worth it. For some, not. I might switch it up just so, you know, it's easier cleaning and all that, and you won't have to deal with the little clicking noise or whatever. But I just want to put this out there just to clear it up. And at least from the dealership that I went to in my town, Santa Maria, California, that's what they told me, and that came straight from Dodge. So it's a known issue, they know about it, and that's their solution. And it did fix it for now. So, you know, we'll see how long it's fixed for, and, you know, we'll just go from there. But like I said, I just wanted to put this out there to help anybody who's going through this issue, anybody who is, you know, worried about their vehicle, to kind of just calm you down a little bit and, you know, reassure you that it's nothing major. It's just an issue that you got to clean the rotors. So you can either take it into Dodge if you have a warranty, or, you know, you could take it in and just pay for them to do it, I guess. Or if you want to do it yourself, I put a good video in the description. I put the link in there, and you can check that video out, and it's going to show you exactly how to do it. But other than that, that's pretty much all I wanted to clear up for you guys, man. I wanted to give you guys that information, even though I have it in another video. I wanted to make this one specifically for that, you know, get straight to the point. That way, for anybody experiencing this or looking for answers, there it is, man, straight from Chrysler. That's what they're saying, and that's what they're doing. So like I said, hopefully this helps you guys out. Other than that, that's gonna do it for this one. Stay tuned for more content, man. If you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below, and tell me what you guys want to see next. Because it's not just information that I'm giving out. You know, we do a whole lot of runs in Mexico. We do DIY mods. I just did the Momentum GT intake / Hellcat lower airbox combo install. You know, the DIY. So I'm showing you how to take off the bumper on the wide body specifically, because that is a little difficult. And I'm showing you how to install the intake and do all that, man. So we do installs, we do mods, you know, we do daily vlog type stuff. We do a whole lot of stuff over here, man. So, you know, stay tuned, because we got a whole lot of content coming. We're dropping every single day, so that's something you guys can look forward to, is you're always gonna have content from me. So, and it's just gonna continue to improve and improve. So I'm excited to see what's coming, man. We got a whole lot planned for the future, a whole lot planned for this vehicle, a whole lot of mods to come. We might be bringing other vehicles pretty soon to this channel, so you guys just stay tuned, man, because it's about to get very lit, I could assure you of that. But man, like I said, that's it for this one. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Thank you guys so much for checking me out. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, alright? Salute.